Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So Love Me Hair sent me this wig and I got a wig bag in the box. So you get a pair of wig caps, a pamphlet that shows you how to care for your hair if you need just a little bit of help. And the very last thing is this wig bag. So you get a purple silk wrap that has the Love Me Hair logo on it. You get a pair of tweezers, get an edge brush, also give you an extra elastic band, get some bobby pins, and you get a Love Me Hair pin clip thing. If you want to know how I got this look, keep on watching. So this is what the wig looks like straight out of the box, and it came in a real pretty wave pattern, but in the end you'll see that I decided to curl it. So this is what the inside of the wig looks like. You have two combs on the sides, one comb in the middle and another one in the back, and you also have two elastic bands, one that wigs always come with, and you have another one that they just now started providing, and I really like that, so I don't have to sew one in there for myself. And now I'm bleaching my frontal because scalp. So now you can see that I'm plucking it. So this wig, I didn't really have to pluck a ton on this wig. I only had to pluck really lightly. You see that I'm being really sparing with my plucking because I didn't want to pluck it bald, but I did want a little bit more scalp action, so that's what I'm doing right now. And this is what she looks like. This wig was super easy to prepare for the install. I didn't have to pluck a lot. All I had to do was bleach the frontal and pluck it just a tad bit. And here you see the reoccurring theme on my channel. I love doing pin curls. I feel like doing pin curls, your curls stay longer, especially if you leave them up for like a day. I normally leave my pin curls up for like at least a day or more than like 4 hours at least. So now I'm just spraying some Got to Be Glued on there lightly because I don't want any crunchy curls. So now I think I left the curls in for like a day, and now I'm going to show y'all how I install it. So y'all can clearly see that I'm installing the wig. I might do like a detailed install one of these days, but every time I do a video, y'all see how I do it. So I guess, I don't know, but I use the bald cap method, and then I put the foundation on. And in this video, since I wanted to take the wig off, I used Got to Be Glued as my adhesive of choice. So I didn't really glue it down, but the same steps apply. So this is what the wig looks like after I have got done up. I put on my makeup, I fluffed out the curls, I did my little volume bang with a hot comb. This hair is 18 inches long with a 13x4 frontal, and it has an elastic band, so you can wear it glueless, but I'm a glue girl, I'm an adhesive girl, so I just decided to use Got to Be Glued as my adhesive. At the end of this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. All my social media will be down in the description box, as well as videos that I have uploaded in the past, along with the link to this wig. So with that being said, I'll see y'all in my next video.